how to send tone from Bybit to your Tonkeeper. So guys, in this video I am going to be explaining full details on how to send tone from Bybit to your Tonkeeper, so you can make transaction, you can use this for Empire and many others. So guys, before we continue, this is airdrop. This is where we discuss about crypto updates and every other details about airdrop and how to make money online. So guys, give this video a thumb of like, go to the comment section, ask me any question you don't understand about making money online or any airdrop update, and don't forget to click on subscribe. So guys, let me go to my Ton wallet here. This is my Ton wallet. You can see I can receive, I can send, I can swap, I can buy and sell or stake my Ton USDT. So guys, let me click on Ton. So you can see now this send, this receive, this swap. Now let's go back to Bybit. To go to your Bybit, you need to get USDT. You can get your USDT here. Just click on funding. When you click on funding, so guys, you click on funding, then you click on USDT. When you click on USDT, you can click on one click buy, or you go to P2P trading. Let me click on one click buy, then enter the amount of USDT you want to buy in NGN. That is, let me click maybe 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira is 5.92832 USDT at the time of recording this video. So this thing may change anytime. So guys, let me continue. I'm already having USDT here, then I have to convert it to Ton. So let me just I've clicked on the USDT, then let me click on convert. You meant to click on convert as when you want to convert everything. You are going to be clicking on mass, then you convert it and you click on quote. That is how to convert USDT to Ton. Now let me now send Ton now. I'm having Ton worth $3.41 here. So guys, let me now click on it to send this to my Ton wallet. For me to send this, you are going to go to your Ton wallet and click on Toncoin. So let me go back to make everything easy. Click on Toncoin. After you click on Toncoin, you click on receive. This is your address. This is your address here. You can just click on copy. Copy this your wallet address. Then you go to Bybit. You click on. Let me click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw here, you are sending Ton out. The wallet address, you paste the wallet address here. You can allow to paste. Then the network you are going to be clicking also is Ton, and the charges is around 0.57 USDT. Then you click on mass. So I'm clicking on mass here. The amount I'll be receiving is around funding. The balance I'll be receiving is 0.49 Ton. So I will click on withdraw. The moment I click on withdraw, yeah, I confirm this. I'm going to be a code should be sent to my Gmail. So let me wait for the code and go and let me check if the code is around. Not here. So let me click on get code. The code should be sent to my Gmail. So I'm waiting. Okay, the code is here. Let me copy the code and go and place it inside my Bybit so we can receive it there. Okay, this is the code here. So let me copy the code. I copy the code, then I paste it here. The moment I paste the code here, allow to paste. Then what is next? What is next about this now? I'm going to be going to my Google Authenticator app. So if you are not linking your Google Authenticator app here, you need to link your Google Authenticator app and your Gmail. So me myself, I'm going to Authenticator, Google Authenticator. Where's my Authenticator app? So guys, this is my Authenticator app. I click on it. Then I have my code here, Bybit. I paste the code here. Allow. Then I confirm. So guys, with this, I'm having successful transaction. So guys, let's go to our Our Tonkeeper. I'm going to Tonkeeper to go and check if my Ton is landed here. Not yet, guys. So guys, you have to wait for some minutes. You can keep refreshing this to receive your Ton. So I think if we can be able to receive it around 1 minute of this video, I'm going to be cutting the video. So guys, be patient with this. So you need to confirm through blockchain before your Ton arrive into your Tonkeeper wallet. So guys, I'm still waiting for it. Not yet here. Okay. I don't know why this is delayed like this. So guys, you can call it a day on this video. So believe I'm going to be receiving it. Even I keep refreshing so I can receive it before we call it a day on this video. So you guys will see it here. So I want to be like I don't know why it's delayed. So guys, most of the time to receive a asset, it's around okay. Your Tesu withdrawal has been updated. Sent, you may check the okay. You can check this side now. Bybit just sent me a message that they have sent it into my Tonkeeper. So this is the message around this here. Dear trader, the status of your withdrawal has been updated. Sent, you may check your relevant details on the blockchain. The withdrawal information is following the withdrawal amount of 0.490 ton. So guys, we are waiting for that to get to my Tonkeeper. So guys, let's call it a day on this video. So I believe I'm going to be receiving it very fast, but I don't know why it is delayed. Okay, you can see it now. The ton is around this place. That is $2.83. So guys, I have received it here after the removing of the charges. So guys, I want to also send it out. Let me send my ton. I want to send the ton here out here. So I'm having it here. So I want to send it. I'm having one address. Let me go to my WhatsApp and copy the address. Me and the woman, we have a little transaction in the France. The woman is in the France. So I want to send the ton to her also to like get it there. So this is her address here. Let me copy the address. Then I send the ton to her. So guys, that is it. That is, I want to write from Ether airdrop. Airdrop. So I confirm. I want everything to be like mass. That is $2.84. Then I have sent it to her. You can see now, confirm and send. So let me confirm. Now, okay, my passcode. So guys, it is done now. I can send and transfer out ton on my Tonkeeper here. So guys, let me check the history. If you can see the history now, it is showing that I've sent 0.49 ton to the person I sent it to. So let me go to my WhatsApp because I've chatted her already, and let me confirm maybe she have seen it. So guys, you can see now, I asked her, have you received the ton? She, yes, thank you, good morning brother. So I think she have received it from her side. So guys, this is how to like send and receive ton from your Tonkeeper, from Bybit to ton. You can see this is a simple step. When you understand this video very smart, there's no even need of you getting confused. The only way you can get confused is like buying USDT. You can buy the USDT either P2P or you buy the USDT by the way you just click buy now. Then you can just buy it, send the money, put the amount of currency that is Naira you want to buy. Then you get the USDT. After that, don't forget the second step is to convert the USDT to ton or any asset you want to convert it to. You can convert USDT to BTC. You can convert USDT to Ethereum. So any asset you want to convert it to. So guys, you can see we have some features on this Tonkeeper. Also, we have swap. So that swap, I think the swap is meant for like to swap ton to any other asset, any other pair. So guys, let me continue. Let me just go back to the end of this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, go to the comment section. Don't forget to click on subscribe. This is a channel where we're going to be teaching how to make money online and how to like get latest airdrop updates.